The TV's Apache RTR 204V stands tall in a luxurious showroom, exuding dominance and aggression. The gleaming bodywork reflects the ambient lighting, highlighting its aerodynamic design and sculpted contours. Its muscular tank, sharp lines, and premium finish make a bold statement. The illuminated name on the showroom wall reinforces its presence, a testament to the power and precision engineering behind this machine. Every detail on the Apache RTR 204V speaks of performance and technology. The signature LED headlamp with DRLs pierces through the showroom's glow, exuding a fierce attitude. The fuel tank's race-inspired graphics add to its sporty persona, designed to turn heads wherever it goes. The split-seat configuration offers both comfort and aggression, catering to the needs of riders who demand performance without compromise. The heart of the Apache RTR 204V is a 197.75cc oil-cooled, single-cylinder engine tuned for maximum performance. With race-derived O3C technology, it delivers an exhilarating power output, ensuring quick acceleration and an unmatched riding experience. The fuel-injected system enhances efficiency, offering seamless throttle response and superior rideability. Mated to a 5-speed gearbox, the powertrain is refined for smooth and precise shifts, delivering adrenaline-fueled performance on every ride. Built on a race-inspired chassis, the Apache RTR 204V boasts impeccable handling and stability. The race-tuned KYB telescopic front forks and monoshock rear suspension provide optimal damping, ensuring superior ride quality over varying terrains. Whether navigating city streets or attacking winding roads, the Apache maintains composure, inspiring confidence with every twist of the throttle. The lightweight double cradle frame enhances rigidity, offering an ideal balance between agility and control. Braking performance is at the core of this machine's engineering. The pedal disc brakes on both wheels, paired with a dual-channel ABS system, provide precise braking and improved safety. The intelligent ABS system adapts to road conditions, preventing wheel lockup and ensuring maximum traction. The radial tires offer superior grip, allowing riders to push their limits without hesitation. Safety meets performance, giving riders complete control over their journey. A fully digital instrument cluster graces the cockpit, offering a wealth of information at a glance. The racing-inspired design integrates a gear shift indicator, lap timer, and top speed recorder, keeping riders informed during spirited rides. Bluetooth connectivity via SmartX Connect allows seamless smartphone pairing, offering call and SMS alerts on the go. With turn-by-turn navigation, riders can explore new destinations with confidence, making every ride an adventure. The Apache RTR 204V's slipper clutch is a game-changer, ensuring smooth downshifts and reducing wheel hop during aggressive braking. This feature, inspired by track racing, enhances rider control and stability, allowing seamless transitions through gears. The Feather Touch Start system ensures quick ignition, getting riders on the road without delay. The refined engine mapping optimizes performance, delivering linear power delivery across the rev range. Designed for enthusiasts who crave speed and precision, the Apache RTR 204V brings racing DNA to the streets. The riding posture is aggressive yet comfortable, ensuring fatigue-free journeys even on long rides. The strategically positioned footpegs and clip-on handlebars enhance ergonomics, providing superior control and maneuverability. Every ride feels connected, translating rider inputs into exhilarating performance. The premium build quality extends to every component of the motorcycle. The sleek body panels, carbon fiber finish accents, and meticulously crafted switchgear elevate the overall appeal. The attention to detail reflects TVS's commitment to excellence, making the Apache RTR 204VA stand out in its segment. Every ride is an experience, merging cutting-edge technology with the thrill of motorcycling. The aerodynamically sculpted design enhances airflow, reducing drag and improving stability at high speeds. The aggressive front cowl integrates seamlessly with the sharp tail section, creating a dynamic silhouette that embodies speed even at a standstill. The razor-sharp aesthetics are complemented by functional elements, making the Apache RTR 204VA a perfect blend of form and function. Engineered for those who push boundaries, this motorcycle thrives on the track and the road. The advanced fuel injection system ensures consistent performance across varying conditions, adapting seamlessly to altitude and temperature changes. Whether accelerating from a standstill or cruising at highway speeds, the Apache RTR 204V delivers power precisely when needed, responding instantaneously to rider inputs. The exhaust note is a symphony of performance, a deep and throaty growl that announces its presence. The race-tuned exhaust system enhances both acoustics and efficiency, ensuring a distinctive auditory experience. Every rev of the throttle is met with an exhilarating burst of power, reinforcing its racing pedigree. The Apache RTR 204V is more than a motorcycle, it's a statement of intent. With a legacy rooted in racing, this machine inherits decades of motorsport expertise. The cutting-edge features, refined engineering, and relentless pursuit of perfection make it a force to be reckoned with. Whether carving through city streets, dominating highways, or conquering twisty roads, the Apache RTR 204V delivers a ride that is as thrilling as it is unforgettable. As the showroom lights cast reflections over its pristine bodywork, the Apache RTR 204V stands ready to ignite passion in every rider. It's not just a machine, it's an emotion, a manifestation of speed, power, and unyielding spirit. The illuminated showroom wall bears its name with pride, a beacon for enthusiasts who seek the extraordinary. The Apache RTR 204V awaits its next rider, ready to unleash the thrill of racing on the open road.